So I bought these things, and we're gonna see how bright they get. Pro tip: make sure your machine's actually washed before you decide to do anything. Unlike me, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, you don't have to rip the whole front grill out, but I'm in the process of doing a bunch of mods to the quad. This is a whole separate video, so I already have everything all apart, so it's gonna make this easier. There we go. Pull that up out of here. Now you're gonna push down on this part. Push down, twist to the left, pops up like that. And take this fucking bulb out. And I'm gonna set down, and here's a new one, just like that. You got that. You're gonna take this piece again, and you're gonna line up the holes. Gotta get it in that hole. Gotta get it in all three of the holes. Then you push down, and you turn to the right, and it's in. I think that looks pretty fucking good.